What if I told you that this elegant houseplant was named after a monster? That the holes in its leaves are not decoration, but a survival weapon, and that it produces a fruit so delicious, yet dangerous if eaten too early. This is the untold story of Monstera Deliciosa. The word Monstera comes from the Latin word monstrum, meaning monster, in the wild jungles of southern Mexico and Panama. This plant climbs, spreads, and dominates. Its leaves can stretch over 3 feet wide, and its vines reach toward the light, a silent giant of the rainforest. The second part of its name, Deliciosa, means delicious. Hidden beneath its dramatic leaves grows a tropical fruit. When fully ripe, its flavor is described as a mix of pineapple, banana, and mango. That if eaten too soon, the fruit contains calcium oxalate crystals that can cause a burning sensation in the mouth and throat. Delicious, but only for the patient. Those iconic holes in the leaves are called fenestrations. They allow wind to pass through during tropical storms, reducing damage. Rain flows through the openings, feeding lower leaves. Sunlight filters down, helping the plant survive in dense jungle shade. Nature didn't design this plant for beauty. Beauty was just the side effect. Monstera Deliciosa is an epiphyte. It climbs trees using aerial roots to anchor itself and absorb moisture from humid air. It does not harm the host tree. It simply rises above the forest floor. Even indoors, this instinct remains. Give it support, and it will grow larger and more dramatic. In 2020, Monstera became more than a plant. Rare variegated varieties sold for thousands of dollars. From rainforest survivor to luxury icon, a symbol of aesthetic living. Beyond trends and prices, Monstera Deliciosa is a story of adaptation, survival, and patience. A monster that turned into beauty, and now, you'll never look at it the same way again.